Question number 10. You'll need a ruler and a protractor for this question. Part A. Use one of these words to complete the sentence. R is it north, south, east or west of P? You need to know that this is north, this is east, south is directly opposite north, and west is directly opposite east. So R is to the east of P. B. Use the map to complete these sentences. The distance from P to Q is how many meters? Your ruler on. As accurately as you can, measure the distance. The distance between them is 6 centimeters on the map. Using the scale, if 1 centimeter represents 10 meters, then 6 centimeters must represent 60 meters. The bearing of R from Q. The bearing is how many degrees we have to turn in a clockwise direction from north to be facing R. So we're starting from Q. First thing we need to do is we need to draw in our north line at Q. So if we were standing here facing north, how many degrees do we have to turn to be facing in the direction of R? In order to measure it, it'll be helpful to draw the line from Q to R, and then it's just a case of putting our protractor on in the right place, getting the crosshairs lined up on Q, the 0 degree line lined up with your north line, choosing the right scale, which is the outside scale, because we count from 0, and then reading off the correct value. That's around about 52 or 53 degrees. And bearings always need to be given as 3-digit numbers. 053 degrees. You get marks for writing an answer anywhere in between 051 and 055 degrees. And then part C, a new wind turbine. T is to be built. It's got to be 75 meters on a bearing of 115. We have to mark the position of T with a cross on the scale drawing. So we'll start off with the bearing, 115 degrees, again the same position for our protractor, outside scale, all the way around to 115. So this line here is in a bearing of 115 degrees, 75 meters. If 10 meters is 1 centimeter, then 75 meters will be 7.5 centimeters. So starting from Q, put our ruler on. Go down this line to 7.5 centimeters. Put a cross and label it with a T.